It's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth headset or your wireless earbuds to your iPad. So this is very easy. Just swipe on down from the top right, and we want to go to the Bluetooth settings, so we can access it through this menu right here, and we just hold down on here and go to Bluetooth settings. Otherwise, just go on over to settings. So let's go through settings here too and just get rid of this. So here's settings. You just have to find Bluetooth. So use Bluetooth, and boom, we're back here. So I have it searching for devices already. With these earpods, if you have an AirPod, you're going to have to press the little sync button on the back. And then I can just take them out. With these AirPods, all I do, these are just regular JBL headsets. You just take them out. If they're not previously connected to another device, you can just connect them on here, and you just tap them. So if they're connected to a previous phone, go to it, and then hit disconnect, and you should be able to connect them on there. So looks like they're connected now on my device. Now if you have AirPods, you're going to have to press the little button on the back here too and put it in the sync mode. So I should be able to listen to this now. If you want to bring this to a new device, just hit the I and go to forget this device. And now you can bring these AirPods, wherever you call them, and you can bring them to a new device. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.